Today, we will be doing a Massfluence review and demo walkthrough. The Massfluence app builds all-in-one sites with self-growing gamified communities, video courses, and auto-selling systems. Massfluence builds next-generation sites that get the leads, sales, and brand advocates for you. Before we get started with the Massfluence review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Massfluence review and demo walkthrough.
In this video, we're going to see how easy it is to use Massfluence, a groundbreaking app that creates next-generation sites that do the hard lead generation, product selling, and community building for you automatically. In a click, you can auto-build new types of all-in-one sites that include viral communities that grow via gamification for passive leads. Create private or public groups that build a tribe of engaged brand advocates with rich engagement tools like video chat, emojis, direct messaging, and more. You can incentivize members to participate and refer others for points that go toward coupons, products, or VIP content to build a list of buyers automatically. Not only that, but you can share important business information, including special events members can participate in offline or online, as well as blog posts, content, and viral videos. Plus, auto-sell your business's courses and products to your community members. Host and sell HD video courses or integrate payment processors to sell any digital or physical product fast and easy. Massfluence replaces several expensive apps in one and allows anyone, regardless of experience, to significantly increase leads and sales by quickly setting up one of these next-generation sites super fast. Now to get started, log into the cloud-based app and click Community to build a new site for your own business or a small business you're working with. Click Create Community and choose from one of the Massfluence gorgeous done-for-you templates for your site, or start from scratch with a blank template. You can also view sites you're currently building and edit them fast and easy by pressing the Edit button. For this quick example, let's continue working on a site I've already started building for a local gym. We can create a gym site with bodybuilding and fitness viral communities to help them get more leads and give their current customers an online home to improve their customer retention and gym membership rate. Press Edit and fill out the basic site info, including community name, description, their brand name, any site image. All sites will be hosted on Massfluence servers, so you don't need to worry about hosting at all. However, you can use a custom domain or tie Massfluence communities to a previous website if you need. Okay, great. Now it's time to create some discussion groups on our new site. Click the Groups button to do that. Click the Create Group button to add a new discussion group, or press Edit to edit a previous group you've made where your members can chat, share content, and ask questions. Fill out the group name, description, and choose whether the group is public or private. Public means anyone can create an account and start commenting in your group. Private means you or an admin need to approve each member before they get to see the content in that group. So for example, we can create an Absolute Freaks of Fitness general chat that anyone can join and start asking questions about bodybuilding or working out. And we can create, say, a private community for those who've joined the gym with a membership or bought an online course or product that includes VIP content. Create different groups, like one for weightlifting, one for nutrition, etc., that function just like Facebook groups. Only this time, you get to control all the assets, leads, and emails, and there's no risk of your group being banned or members getting flagged. Social media is becoming more polarizing and toxic than ever, and millions of social media users are flocking to private groups, and Massfluence has the most engaging technology to allow for amazing conversations to happen naturally. Okay, awesome. We have some discussion groups created. Now let's help them grow without any work by adding some gamification to it. Click Settings, Gamification to add virality to the group. First, create different badges or gamification levels users can reach. For instance, we can create a badge called Hulk that when achieved gives users a 50% off coupon plus access to the VIP content section. Maybe we can have another called Mr. Olympia that gives you a free yearly membership to the gym and access to all paid courses. Just enter a creative badge name and upload an image. Then set your gamification points. Dish out points for certain numbers of comments, likes, or posts in your community. Then when users reach a certain level of points, they receive a certain gamification badge that shows they are elite status and gives them access to free goodies as well. Now, this is going to help your site explode in popularity, as everyone is psychologically drawn to statuses and badges, and Massfluence is the only gamified community builder out there. At any time, you can approve or disapprove members, assign roles to members, add specific retargeting scripts, and adjust settings for your groups with ease. And each group comes with the latest bot and spam protection. When a new visitor joins your group, they can register for free, providing their email and phone number, which you or your small business client can capture via autoresponder and remarket to over and over, helping you ditch boring, low-converting opt-in forms and funnels. Now, believe it or not, we're just getting started with what Massfluence can do. Now it's time to update our site with our business information and important events. To add an event, go to Events tab and choose the site you want to add an event to. Click Create New Event to make one from scratch or edit a previous one like this. We can create an event like Muscle Mania that lets you meet and ask questions with a bodybuilding champion in the local business's gym, or perhaps have this event virtual through Zoom. Just add the necessary information like date, what type of event it is, including if it's Google Meet, Zoom event, an in-person event, or GoToWebinar. This is great for selling courses, and any sign-up URLs or location, and then hit save. We can see our event in the community at any time up until the date it happens. Now let's add some resources to our group like how-to videos, ticket or support information. We do this by going to groups and clicking channels and adding a custom resource channel. Now channels are a revolutionary new feature that share content, foster discussions, sell products, and more. You can create different types of channels, including resource channels. So click Add Channel, give it a name, a description, choose what type it is, a blogs channel that shares important articles and content, resources, assets or products for sale, or courses for sale. You can choose to make any channel free to access or require paid access. All of our public and paid channels will be available right on our site for visitors to access fast and easy. Now, if the channel requires the user to pay to access it, like a course for example, the member will have to enter their checkout information and pay to get access to that channel. Once payment is complete, they can access the channel. At any time, you can go to integrations and connect a popular payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, manual payment, and more to sell access to courses, products, or paid channels. Now to add resources to our resource channel we're making, just go to the site you made and hit Actions, then Resource Library. Click Create to add in a new resource such as a file for users to download, a link to customer support, training videos, and more. Now, resource channels are great, but as you saw, we can make even more exciting channels for our new site, like the ability to sell full HD video courses in a few clicks. Again, go to Create New Channel, choose Course to create a new course channel, or edit a previous course we've already begun working on by hitting Edit. Edit the title, description, and choose what course modules you want to include in this particular training. Note that you can make free courses that act as valuable lead magnets for small businesses that require the user to sign up for it via their email, which you can then remarket to, or premium paid courses that generate revenue for the business you can sell anywhere. To add course modules, just go to your site, Actions, and hit Lesson Library. Here you can build new modules that can be a part of multiple courses, free or paid. Hit Add Lesson to create a content lesson, a video lesson, an audio lesson, or click Edit to choose a previous lesson to edit. Fill out the course module's lesson title, description of what they will learn, any video or video URL, and a longer description with any important training resources they may need. Plus, you can sell any other digital or physical product with Massfluence too by adding an asset channel. So just like blogs, courses, resources, just go to Create New Channel and choose Assets this time to sell our products. Then go to our Sites action and hit Assets to add any products to sell on our site. Just hit Create New Asset or edit an existing asset. Give it a name, description, any image of what we're going to be selling, assign a value and actual amount they will pay, plus integrate any webhook URL information if needed that will give them automatic access as soon as the payment is complete. At any time, we can go to Sales and check out any asset sales or channel sales and see order details fast and easy. Plus manage our site members at any time. including denying access. You can import members. You can export members' emails or phone numbers by each group to our autoresponder to start remarketing to. You can see which members are purchasing by clicking View Sales and see how valuable they are to our community. And if that wasn't enough, Massfluence comes with commercial rights and agency rights, so you can create these next generation sites for clients and charge a fee. Go to Manage Client to create an account for them and let the client manage their communities, their channels, payment processors, and products however they want while you charge a fee for access. Now there's much more to do and uncover with Massfluence, but hopefully this quick little demo showed you how powerful and important these next-gen viral community sites are going to be for your online marketing going forward. Finally, you can build a tribe of passionate brand advocates and buyers without spending thousands on ads and funnels and wasting time with multiple costly apps. These all-in-one sites work for any business, offline or online, and will help save thousands of dollars per month, replacing many tools, and also help generate significant ROI with valuable viral communities that you fully control now and into the future.
Thank you for watching this Massfluence review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Massfluence, click the link in the description below.